Bunky. Oh, Bunky. He's nice, actually. Usually a nice kitty.
Yeah. Looks like a nice cat.
Well, these two are. Actually, it's better that people take them now because then they can still be close to them. Because they're 7 weeks now. See?
They're still nursing her?
Well, she doesn't really, not supposed to be nursing them.
Is she still producing milk?
No. I can't figure it out. Maybe she is. Ew, see? Lady. I'll find out if she still is. Yeah, looks like, I don't know. Because the last few times that they tried nurse, I know she kind of pushed them off of her, but maybe she is. She must be. It's scratchy. This is OJJ. He's cute too. He kind of reminds me of OJ when he was younger.
Yeah. Something like this.
Hey.
He's a little timid, isn't he?
He scratches. But I have to get him used to being held. Alright, we gotta
Who
use
wants
it.
him?
Huh?
Who wants?
Miss friend Shanaz wants both of them.
Oh, she does?
Yeah, she had 2 cats before.
She did? You
She
think
really
she's
likes
gonna take
cats.
care of him?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I told him, like, you have to get their shots, and hey, don't scratch.
So you don't have to work today?
Mm-mm.
Is this your, like, only day off?
No.
Or are you still doing the Thursday
No,
thing?
actually, I'm starting every other Thursday I take off now.
Oh.
But I work Sundays too, like probably, maybe 1 or 2 Sundays.
You mean you take
month.
clients?
Mm-hmm. I take clients on any day anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because a lot of times I don't have to work that late, you know, I just work late morning, afternoon, or afternoon, night. I only work like 35 hours a week.
Really good pose right there on that chair. This looks
Okay.
picture perfect.
Get Bunky. Yeah.
Look at the bunk. The bunkers.
You're bonkers, huh?
The bunkers is on the left and OJJ is on the right.
Get out, JJ. He's always stirring. He's always fighting.
He's too fast for me.
They always knock everything down. They're at that stage where they're very destructive and they're knocking everything down, scratching everything.
Oh.
Yeah, it's right there.
They're quick.
I know. This in the past week they've gotten to be really good runners. Their legs are so much stronger. Come here.
I can just about keep up with it.
I got you.
Oh.
Gosh.
Strong one, huh?
This is possessed.
I know. They've gotten really strong. Oh, I'll get a drink of water.
I got you.
Hold him like that if you have to. You gotta train him, man. He's keep being difficult.
I think the
Good
light.
girl. Good, be a good boy.
Girl or boy?
Bunkers. Boy. He's very healthy.
Mm.
He's actually the friendliest cat of the 6.
Orange cats are usually always
And
boys.
this one's going to Shanaz.
Both of them are.
Oh, JJ. Okay, come on.
What happened to her other cats?
See.
Actually, I thought they were younger than they were, but she found them.
Mm-hmm.
And they had feline leukemia. When she
Oh.
They were not even 1 year old.
Oh, really?
Her last two, they were brothers.
I thought she had one left.
No.
Schnoz doesn't have any?
Bunky.
I thought she had a
Monkey?
Bunky. Bunky.
baby.
Don't do that, Bunky.
Hmm.
This is cute. Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't hurt.
And here's
Put
the
them in.
granddaddy, Edie.
Wow.
Edie's 5 years old now.
Bunky, you stink.
He's the best sleeper cat that we have. We're training the other ones to be sleeper cats.
This room looks kind of cool here in
Yeah.
the daytime, you know?
Yeah, we definitely start painting. Well, our lease is going to be up in October on the salon.
Oh, so what are you gonna do?
Well, we're actually still looking. They offered us at one place,
Yeah?
but we're going to see if we can get a better deal somewhere else.
You're gonna move, huh?
Yeah, we might move because we're really sick of the landlord unless he gives us a really, really good deal.